I'm Trina Webster, co-founder of ZQuiet, and we get a lot of questions from people about which mouthpiece to buy. If you're new to ZQuiet, you should definitely start with the starter pack. It comes with 2 sizes and they look identical, but they're not. You should start with size 1 that moves your lower jaw just a little bit forward, and if that solves your snoring, great, just keep using it. If you continue to snore, then you move to size 2. And it comes with this great case. So if you're new to wearing an anti-snoring mouthpiece, one thing you should know is that some people just pop it in, fall asleep with no trouble at all. Other people have an adjustment period. It's like your teeth or your jaw might be a little sore in the morning. Sometimes you wake up and find it on your pillow. Sometimes you drool a little. All of these things are completely normal and they subside with time and use. Just give it a few weeks and stick with it, and it's worth it.